Hi besties, hi lovely, good morning guys. Happy weekend guys. Today is Saturday and this is morning. I want to prepare brunch, okay? I want to prepare black head beans, white beans with ripe plantain, frozen ripe plantain. That's what I want to prepare. The beans is already soft. I want to start adding the things I'm going to use for the beans and plantain, okay? I'm adding plantain. This is frozen ripe plantain. That's how I preserve it, guys. Add a little bit of crayfish, pepper. Now add more seasoning cube, salt. That's what I'm adding, salt. I'm going to add a little bit of fruit tomatoes. It's optional, guys. It's not compulsory. I just needed to add it, okay? So this is fruit tomatoes, onions, and my dry coated fish. That's what I'm adding right now. Add my palm oil. I'm going to cook it for, let me say, for 45 minutes, okay? Wow, besties, I'm back. Have you tested beans with curry leaf before? I'm adding curry leaf, besties. Now give it a stir. So lovely, besties. Our porridge, ripe plantain and beans is ready. Watch up to this moment. God bless you. Do have a wonderful weekend. Today is Saturday here in Nigeria. And wherever you're watching me from, do have a wonderful, blessed weekend. Don't make it your last. If you've not subscribed, if you're just coming across this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share our video and leave a comment. Okay? See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to show love to people around. Whosoever needs help, please don't forget to help the person. See you guys in my next video. Bye.